So we are right here on the Duelbits homepage, and if you look down somewhere here, you can see win a Bitcoin. So when you click on that, it's gonna take you to the promoted page. It says win a Bitcoin ultimate fighting jackpot. And what's interesting is that you can play this for free. So you can see here, play for free. Says one Bitcoin jackpot and a $2,000 guaranteed leaderboard. So let's see what that's about. Scrolling down, you can see it says get ready to unleash the inner fight predictor in you with our exhilarating and free to play ultimate fighting jackpot. So obviously this promotion is about predicting the winner of a fight in an MMA event, in different MMA events. Say this is your golden ticket to an adrenaline-packed journey through MMA events. That's martial arts, where your fight predictions can earn you not just bragging rights, but a chance to win a massive one Bitcoin jackpot. So in these mixed martial arts events, you got to predict the winner, and if you do that successfully, you stand a chance of winning one Bitcoin jackpot from this event. And then it says you also stand a chance of not just a chance, this is guaranteed. See, to top it off, there is a $2,000 guaranteed leaderboard, and look at how it works. You predict and win. So you have to predict correctly the correct winner and the winner's method of victory, and you score a whooping 5 points, whether it's a knockout, submission, or decision. Nail it down for B points. Even if you only predict the correct winner, you still bag a cool 1 point. It's all about that foresight. So you can earn up to 5 points by predicting how the winner is gonna win the match. So this is basically, you can take your time and look at these how to participate and how to win this one Bitcoin jackpot. So and that's the leaderboard payout there. The first position is gets $1,000, second position $500, third position, and on and on and on and on. So the first 20 participants in the leaderboard get something, and of course there are some terms and conditions that you have to know about. So see, the users must reach the rookie 3 mileage to be able to claim a reward. So, and the Bitcoin price will be taken at a time of when the entry is closed. This is when the first fight of the night begins. So that's just it. Duelbit is offering users the opportunity to win a Bitcoin by predicting for free in a mixed martial arts events. So you take your time, you can to participate, you can play for free, and by clicking the button there. So and that's it, ultimate fighting jackpot. So We now go ahead and predict the winners. Up here you can see that these fights are closed. These are closed fights, and what you need to do is find a fight that is still pending, and when you do that, you can actually win 1 Bitcoin by participating.